JSPR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Jasper Therapeutics stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. Observing this, bro, this absolutely melted, you know, like an cube, like an ice cube. 60% down is crazy. Critical, like I'm talking diabolical. Look at the higher time frame, like my previous buys. Haven't made a video like in a while, so like that's irrelevant at this point. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips, and I've documented everything. But like in general with JSPR, yeah, even like from the beginning, it definitely failed to break through like some supply zones there, and now it's just melting down. And in general, I'm only gonna be a short if the price gives me a proper Wyckoff distribution. I mean, everything else is just noise, or just something that I would not be interested in. So that's how this looks like for me. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.